Hello, listeners. I am Professor Abhay Kumar Kuthe from Vishweshwariya National Institute of Technology, VNIT Nagpur, India, presenting the audiobook titled Basics of Computer-Aided Design and Rapid Prototyping. The paperback and Kindle version of the book are available on Amazon. So, why this audiobook? Creating an audiobook in engineering is uncommon, but I have taken on this task to help faculty and students. The benefits of an audiobook are many. Students can listen in their free time while commuting, exercising, cooking, or doing household chores. This makes it easy to fit learning into a busy schedule. Audiobooks encourage listeners to visualize the content, which can improve creativity and imagination. Some readers face difficulties with font size in books, so audiobooks provide easier understanding. The complete content of the book is difficult to include in the audiobook. However, this audiobook will help students understand the text content, and listener can refer to the figures, numerical problems, and computer programs in the Kindle or paperback version. The Kindle version is available with the preferable font settings for readers of all ages and even for students with vision problems. I enjoyed the company of my colleagues Mr. Hindol Pense and Mr. Nitin Kalbande, who helped me in preparing the audiobook. I am thankful to the management of VNIT for providing all support. Looking forward to receiving more suggestions from you all. Happy listening. Thank you. The book, titled Basics of Computer-Aided Design and Rapid Prototyping by Professor A.M. Kuthe. This book is the first primer to prepare the engineering students for the new era of Industry Revolution, Industry 4.0. The book presents use of computer in design and development of product and also introduces new technology, rapid prototyping. The innovation in the product development is discussed at length in this book, which is essential in the present technical world. The introduction of field study after every chapter is a unique feature in this book, which helps students to know the application of knowledge gained in the practical field. The contents of the book are: Chapter 1, Introduction to Computer-Aided Design; Chapter 2, Computer Graphics; Chapter 3, Finite Element Method; Chapter 4, Optimization; Chapter 5, Product Design and Rapid Prototyping; Chapter 6, Layered Manufacturing, that is, Additive Manufacturing. Appendix A, Introduction to Computer Integrated Manufacturing, CIM. Appendix B, Introduction to C language. Appendix C, Introduction to AutoCAD commands. About the author. Dr. Abhay Kumar Madhusudan Kuthe is presently Professor, Higher Administrative Grade in Mechanical Engineering Department at Vishweshwariya National Institute of Technology, VNIT Nagpur. Dr. Abhay Kumar began his career in 1986 after Bachelor of Engineering Mechanical from Government Engineering College, Amravati, India, by joining Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, Nashik. He obtained his MTech from IIT Roorkee and joined Birla Consultancy Services, BICS, as Senior Software Engineer. He left BICS and joined VNIT in 1993. He earned his PhD in 2001. His research work is focused in the area of rapid prototyping, RP. Using computer-aided design, CAD, as base and specialized techniques of RP, he dedicated his efforts in harnessing this technology for practical use. The capabilities of RP equipment were extensively exploited to make custom-built metallic implants that were implanted in human bodies by surgeons in several complicated medical cases, including some cases of cancer. The technology was also effectively used in engineering industry to develop zero-defect pattern making and casting. He has earned patent for niche work undertaken by him. His contribution to international and national journals, presentation of papers at international conferences demonstrates his deep study as well as authority on the subject. creation of well-equipped CAD/CAM center at VNIT speaks volumes of his passion for raising the bar of academic standard. His self-motivation for introduction of industry-oriented courses, guidance of PhD and MTech students, as well as untiring efforts in creating awareness and building capacity for large-scale adoption of RP using CAD is testimony of his work in this area. The all-encompassing contribution of his in the area of RP expands the conventional boundaries of research. Preface by author. I firmly believe that in the course curriculum, under the head of reference books, there should be more books, and under the head textbooks, there should be only one, or in exceptional case two, book for any subjects in engineering. A textbook is a book that is primarily referred by the students as the primary and core book to study the subject. Any additional knowledge or any concept not clear through the textbook should be referred to in the reference books. It is also expected that the student should talk to the author of the book. In view of the above, I am writing this book as a textbook for the student who wish to study computer-aided design and rapid prototyping. The contents covered in this book are mostly covered in engineering institutes under subjects titled Computer-Aided Design, Product Design and Development, Layered Manufacturing or Additive Manufacturing. The area of computer-aided design is incomplete without rapid prototyping, that is 3D printing introduction. In the technological world today, where Industry 4.0 is the buzzword, it is difficult for a mechanical engineer to work in the design and manufacturing of part without computer. This book covers the basics of computer-aided design and also introduces rapid prototyping, which is the crucial area in the production of the part. To keep the interest of students alive, the book is compact and handy. Students should immediately understand the concept by referring the book. While writing the exam, the students remember what is read in the book and their notes, and the students reproduce their thoughts ideally in the exam. This is not possible if the subject is learned haphazardly by referring more and more websites on the internet. In engineering courses, a practical approach to theoretical study is a must, and therefore field study is included at the end of every chapter. Students are encouraged to refer the internet for extra knowledge, so separate appendix as web resources are included. I am confident that the students will welcome this book not only as a textbook during their course study, but also as an asset throughout their life serving as engineers. Thanks to all my students and well-wishers for the constant encouragement during my 30 years of service in the academic institute, which helped to write this book. Readers' views, comments, and criticisms are most welcome. The PPT slides for flipped classroom teaching will be provided on request. Email amkme2002@yahoo.com.